Hi guys, okay, today we are going to be unboxing my Boxycharm, and I have both of them here today because they came on the same days. If you guys don't know, I do get Boxycharm every month, and Boxycharm is now $25 a month, and you get 5 full-size products, 4 to 5. I've never gotten 4, I've always gotten 5 to 6. And I get 2 every month. I've explained in previous videos. I get 2 because some months is Boxylux, and I would like to get Boxylux and regular Boxycharm to compare them. So I just get 2 every month. But sometimes you don't see both in my videos because they do come sometimes weeks apart. So I just don't unbox them together. However, today they did come together. So let's just jump right into it. I am pretty excited. Boxycharm is one of my favorite boxes. Let's open the first one up. And you just open it up. This box is a little bigger than normal. And you open it up and it says, "Hello Charmers." And this time it's red in the inside instead of the normal color. And it says Boxycharm Stellar. It looks like this. I got variation 8 in this box. And it just says on the back, Boxylux, Boxy Pop-Up. And then it's customization. And then you open it up and it tells you all of the products you got and the retail value and a little bit about them. And then on the back, it's got a code for Dragon Beauty and Natasha Denona. Okay, we will go over that when I get to all the products, but you pull that out and this is what it looks like. I'm going to pull this little card right here. It says the Pretty Vulgar Undercover Lightweight Concealer. And it says it's long-wearing, medium coverage, velvety soft texture, natural flawless finish, great for all skin types, vitamin-infused moisture. And it wants you to try this and see what color you would be. Now, I think they're doing this because they want to start including foundations and concealers in boxes, but they need you to decide your color. So I think that's why they included this, but I definitely will give this a try. I guarantee I will be fair just because I am fair. Okay, so we pull out the next thing is in this really nice bag, and it just says Boxycharm, and it is brushes. I love getting brushes, but these are just Boxycharm brushes. Boxycharm make their own brushes now. That's pretty cool. I love the packaging, but look at these brushes. That is a very dense brush, and we got a smaller one, and they just say Boxycharm on them. I love the handles. This would be great for foundation, and then this one would be great for a cream contour. I love these. They feel really heavy duty. Let's see what this has to say. Boxycharm 2-piece brush set. It says, create your favorite looks in total luxury with our first ever Boxycharm branded brush set. The large multi-purpose powder brush is perfect for liquids, creams, powders, or mineral products. And the foundation brush has an oval base to help with precise foundation placement and seamless blending. These ultra soft brushes are handcrafted, synthetic, and cruelty-free. And they retail for $35 for 2 brushes. That is insane. I'm glad to have gotten these, but I would not pay $35 for 2 brushes. That is crazy. Okay, let's pull up the next thing I see, which is by Tua, and there's 2 of them. And these are face masks. These are the Star Bright Nourishing and Brightening Cosmetic Hydrogel Masks. I love the packaging. Super cute. And these have probiotics, which help calm the look of inflammation and aid in moisture retention. They have grapefruit, which is an antioxidant and superfood that brightens the appearance of skin, has a chamomile, calms, soothes, and helps reduce the look of redness, and it's an herb. And then it's got Gotu Kola, an herb that helps the skin and helps improve the look of elasticity. Okay, I love getting face masks. I'm glad we got 2 and not just 1. Let's see what those retail for. Tula Skincare Star Power Nourishing and Brightening Cosmic Hydrogel Mask Set of 2. It retails for $22. These masks are $11 a piece. That is a little pricey, but I love Tula brand and I love their skincare products. So I'm excited about that. Let's pull out the next thing, which is by Dose of Colors. And this is a liquid matte lipstick. I'm so excited about this. I love Dose of Colors matte lipsticks. We've gotten some in Boxycharm before, but this one is a much more wearable color than the shade we got before. This is a Nude Mood. I am excited. Ugh. Look at that. Let's open this up and swatch it. Oh, yeah. That is the shade Nude Mood. Oh my gosh, that is a gorgeous shade. I am so excited about that. And these retail for, I want to say 18, yeah, $18. I am excited about that, and you could have gotten a lot of different colors. Let's pull up, we have 2 more things in here. Let's pull up the next thing, which is by Juice Beauty, which is an expensive brand, like a really expensive brand. But I have tried a lot of their products before. This is the Juice Beauty Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Eye Treatment. And it's formulated with organic ingredients. Juice Beauty is an all clean like brand. And, oh, okay, so this is what it looks like. And you pull it off. Oh, okay, so you have this. I don't know. I'm assuming you just like push it on your eye and you can use this to like wipe it around. I like that because I don't like using my fingers. I'm just weird. But I'm excited about that. Let's see what the card has to say. Juice Beauty Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Eye Treatment. It says a proprietary blend of fruit stem cells and vitamin C infused into organic antioxidant-rich botanical juices work to reduce the appearance of fine lines around the eyes and minimize the appearance of dark circles. You guys, $50. That is insane. I would not pay $50 for this. $50 freaking dollars in a $25 box. This right here is double the cost of the box. That is insane. Oh my gosh. I would not pay $50 for that. And last but not least is probably the product I am most excited about. This is the Dominique Cosmetics Celestial Thunder. I love the packaging. Ooh, I've never tried any eyeshadows from Dominique Cosmetics, so I am super excited about that. Let's do some swatches. Okay, those are the swatches. Those are some gorgeous, gorgeous shades. This one is Eternal Light. And then we have Fireball, Black Matter, Zero Gravity, Lucid Dreams, Storm Dust, Lunar Eclipse, and Mystic Ice. I am so excited for this palette. Look at this. We have 3 shimmers and 5 mattes. I am just so excited about this. I've never tried any eyeshadow from Dominique Cosmetics, so I am like so excited. This retails for $35. That is insane. It says Celestial Thunder is an explosion of vivid pigments, shadows, and glittery foils with 8 uniquely formulated shades. For a creative, colorful eye look or a simple pop of electric color, these vibrantly made shades tell a cosmic story and bring the universe to life. I am so excited about that. This box was amazing. I will use every single thing we got in here. I am so excited. Let's open the next box. Okay, so we have the same little card. Let's see what variation this is. This is variation 22. Holy cow. Okay, so we have another one of these little samples. And I'm just going to pull out the first repeat product I see, which is the Juice Beauty Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Eye Treatment. This will go into a future giveaway for one of you guys because I don't need 2 of them. And the second repeat is the Dominique Cosmetics Celestial Thunder Eyeshadow Palette. Let's make sure it's not broken. Nope, it's good. Okay, so this will go into a future giveaway for one of you guys. Again, I don't need 2 of them. Okay, the next 3 items look to all be different. This is a Dose of Colors liquid lipstick, and this one is in the shade Date Night. Okay, so this is like a brick red. Let's swatch it. Oh yeah, that is a very nice red. Really good for the holiday time. I'm excited about that. I love a good red liquid lipstick, and I love the Dose of Colors formula, so I'm not mad at that at all. Again, these retail for $18. And the next thing we have is by Milk. This is the holographic stick. I've never tried anything from Milk Makeup, and I have wanted to for a while now. So I just pulled it out of the little thing. So it was in a little case like that. You pull it out like that, okay. This is in the shade Supernova. This lid is not on all the way, but okay. How does this work? Okay, that pushes it up. Okay, let's do a swatch. Oh, that is the shade Supernova. It's like a purpley white iridescent. Okay. Oh, and it comes with a little like cap to hold it together so it doesn't dry out. Okay, not mad at that at all. I will definitely give that a try. Oh, I didn't realize it says the shade and the color up at top. Okay, I'm not mad at that. I've never tried anything from Milk Makeup, so I'm excited to give that a try. Let's see the card. That retails for $28. That is insane. Okay, And the next thing, which I'm really excited about as well, is the Cosmetic Sponge by Illuminati. It's a latex-free sponge, and it's pink. Super cute. I love getting makeup sponges. Okay. Ooh, very soft and squishy. Feels like a good sponge. Let's see. Illuminati Cosmetic Sponge, an edgeless, reusable, high-definition cosmetic sponge applicator. $21. I don't buy the Beauty Blender because they're $20, and I don't think that's worth it. What makes people think I'm gonna pay $21 for a sponge? That is insane. I get the Real Technique ones. They're like $6. The e.l.f. blending sponge, it's like $4. What the heck? It does feel really soft and like a good sponge. I won't know until I apply use it to apply product though, but I'm excited about that. I love receiving sponges. But that is everything. I definitely think this box was worth it this month. We got some good stuff. And, you know, there obviously were 2 repeats. But it's gonna happen. It happens a lot. But that is okay. I am pretty excited about everything we got. I think this box was amazing. Let me know if you guys get Boxycharm. If you do, what variation did you get? What did you get? What do you think of the eye palette we got? Did you get a Dose of Colors lipstick? What shade? That is all. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to subscribe down below. I post new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, 3 times a week. And if 3 times a week is not enough for you and you want to see more of my lovely face, you can follow me on all my social media down below. I'm on Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, and Twitter. That is all. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. Can't wait to see you in the next one. Bye.